Welcome friends. My name is Luis Manuel Suarez Torres. I want invite I want to invite you to Cacota Norte Santander, a place to reside, which are beautiful by enriched gastronomy. We invite you to the lagoon where you can come if you wish. Let's enjoy the weather and the park that is located in the center of town. You can visit us by taking a bus from the terminal in the city of the Cucuta. It will take you about 6 minutes To get there. At night, you can transport users in the beautiful dance bus. In the pine forest, you can come if you bring you the you can always offer in the for better comfort. Enjoy wine or delicious food. If you want to stay longer, you can stay at the hotel town. We are waiting for you. Don't not miss this adventureful or the beautiful landscape to go.